Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Zikki's World. How are you all doing? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate all your love, all your support, all your beautiful comment in my video. The new subscribers, the old subscribers, you guys are the best. And I really appreciate all your love. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this tropical fruit smoothie with just few ingredients around my kitchen. I bet you these few ingredients might be around your kitchen, so get them and make this smoothie for yourself. So guys, I have some chunked sliced mango fruit, so I already chopped them. I have orange juice, I have ginger, and also I have lemon. So what I did was to show you guys, if you don't have fresh orange, you can go ahead and use store-bought orange juice. But I have some orange around the kitchen, so I feel like using the juice to make this tropical fruit smoothie. So what I did was to just cut the orange and begin to squeeze out the cherries from the orange, which is just very easy. Just squeeze it. You know the way you used to enjoy the oranges. In Igbo, we say irachoroma. That is exactly the way you're going to squeeze out the juice. So this is it. I want to do a little experiment, guys, just to show you the difference between store-bought and homemade. There is a huge difference. Just look at the cup. As you can see, the color of the store-bought, as you can see, this is not only orange. But look at that. That is only orange juice. You see how transparent it is? So guys, I encourage you to use homemade. But sometimes we got store-bought because we don't always have fresh orange juice at home. So now I'm pouring in the mango into the blender and also the fresh orange juice from home. And also, guys, let me tell you something. If you have a pineapple right now, use it because pineapple is one of the tropical fruits. So, but I don't have a pineapple and I'm craving for this, smoothie. So I use what I have around the kitchen. So after pouring in the ginger, add the banana and also the lemon juice. Just squeeze the juice out of it and let all of them go into the blender. Then after that, we are going to cover the blender and pause immediately. Let it begin to blend, guys. Just allow it to blend to puree. This is exactly what we want. Guys, did you see that color? Did you see that orange color? I am so happy and delighted to share this recipe with you guys. It's really easy. It helps you to keep full all morning. You don't have to eat in between meal. So guys, we are done blending this. Let's serve it. So into the mason jar, I'm going to pour in some of it. What really happened is that I forgot to add ice. So I pour it into the cup and put it back in the fridge and allow it to go down a little bit. But had it been I added the ice, I would just devour it immediately. But anyway, I'm going to put it back in the fridge, guys. Thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate you. Did you see I'm holding it to show you that I really wanted to drink this juice? I don't want to share it with anyone. So I had to go outside, guys, to take a picture to share with you. Thank you guys so much for the love and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.